bench cut in their prime. Michael Vick, Cam Newton, Lamar Jackson.
I'm starting prime Lamar, benching.
You gotta bench Vick.
I'm benching Vic, yeah. No, wait. I'm starting Lamar. I'm cutting Vic.
You
and
cutting
I
Vic?
got Cam. I'm cutting Vic.
You tripping, fool.
You don't know how good Cam Newton was.
How many rings you got? 9. We got the same amounts.
No, but we don't got the same bank account.
Fuck, nigga, first down. Bitch ass nigga.
Yeah. How do it feel knowing that your homies dying over nothing? Swing that baby ARP all in public. Since 13, I've been stepping. Yeah, walking niggas down, showing no remorse. Call me one that never leave the house, he still ain't leave the porch. The Drake shoot niggas. You ain't heard about the last nigga that I did? Weird on Granny, I left 2 victims. I brought the strike down this block with 2 pistols. Fuck a 3, fuck a 2, and I drop 5s in every city. Go ask one take for the tribe, he gon' tell you I get busy. Threw a 30 back, then popped another one cause it ain't hit me. Tryna catch one with my TIO and lock it in with him. Janky a fag while y'all ain't X him off the hood, he put the D. Expensive fashion, jumped out into yours.